FM. Hi, today in this video we are going to make another DIY pot. So my name is Jean and welcome back to our channel, JeanG. And if you are new here and haven't subscribed yet, please do so if you want to, and nice to meet you. And to all my returning subscribers or viewers, thank you very much for always supporting me and watching my video. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started! So yes, these are the materials that we are going to use. I have here, this one is an empty container of puto or rice cakes. And this one is the empty tub of peanut paste or peanut butter. Pre-cut twigs and 6mm jute rope. So yeah, let's start! Alright, to begin, i-glue lang po natin yung jute rope dito sa empty tub. Then, hanggang dun sa taas. So, maglalagay lang po tayo ng small space na para pag naglagay tayo ng design na pebbles sa plant natin, makikita yung pebbles sa upper layer ng plant. So, just keep going hanggang doon sa may bandang itaas. I have said before, we have to leave a small space para dun sa design natin na pebbles. Ayan po, may maliit na space para doon. And I have another one na ginawa ko kanina. This time ay gugupitin natin yung gilid or tabi ng empty container na to at ilalagay natin or i-glue natin yung mga twigs. Just keep going hanggang sa matanggal yung edge na yan para even yung paglalagyan natin ng mga twigs. So, dito, mag-i-start na tayo i-glue yung mga twigs. Yan. Just keep going lang hanggang sa mapuno ng twigs yung part na yan. This time, let's go ahead at lalagyan natin ng jute rope yung palibot ng twigs na yan so that they become sturdy. Just continue the process until you finish the whole thing. Ito na, patapos na yung plant holder natin at ilalagay na natin yung ginawa na dalawang pots kanina. So, yan. Diba? Maganda siya. What do you think? Just comment down below. So, this time around, ay mag-repot tayo. I have here the pebbles and the soil mix. And before that, see to it that I'm always wearing my gloves. So yes, you should always put the pebbles underneath before you put on the soil mixture, so to avoid erosion, soil erosion. I have the soil mixture of 70% garden soil and 30% pumice stone. And this is the Sansevieria bacularis, and they are due for repotting. For now naman ay gagamitan natin ng toothbrush para matanggal yung mga excess soil dito sa pots. And barbecue stick para maging even yung soil. At ang pebbles para maging design para dyan sa plants. Kaya tayo nag-leave ng space sa sinabi ko before para makita yung design na pebbles. And yes! This is my newest project. In my experience, hindi ko masyadong dinidiligan or binabasa ng masyado pag kariripat lang kasi baka mag-root rot sila. So, that's my experience, ha? Disclaimer lang, fam. I'm not an expert. So, konti lang yan. Hindi yan masyadong maraming water. Just to make sure na mabasa lang sila or maging konting moist yung soil nila. So, after 2 weeks, saka ko lang sila didiligan ng regular na yung pagkabasa ng kanilang soil. So, yan lang ginagawa ko. So far, so good. Buhay naman yung mga snake plants na na-repot ko before. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope you learned something about this video. Any suggestion or suggestions, just drop your comment underneath the video and I will read it later. And yeah, we'll see you on my next one, fam. And thank you so much for sparing your time watching my video. Stay safe, everyone. Baboosh!